Hi, I'm Steve Safran with Caruso Homes. I'm the customer service or warranty manager. I'm here at Oakmont at a Kingsport model. We're going to take a look at some maintenance tips. It's springtime now. There's a lot of things that go on in your home that we need to take a look at. So come on inside, let's take a look. Downstairs in your utility closet, and in the utility closet is your furnace filter. Furnace filter is located here. The airflow travels down and goes through the furnace, goes to the rest of the house at this point. It is important to change your filter every 4 months on this particular. And just to show you, this clips comes out. Air filter slides in or out. New one goes in. Now when you install the new one, make sure there is a label that's on here at the top that says airflow, and it's got an arrow pointing this way. Airflow, so it's coming from the rest of the returns from the house, coming down, going across through the filter to the furnace at that point. Very important. These filters should be changed every 4 months. There's 2 little tabs that go in at the bottom. And that's it. Now that we've finished the downstairs filter, some particular house types have 2 furnaces, one in the attic and one in the downstairs. For the attic, you have these grills that are in the ceiling that have filters that are in them. So changing these, be careful, you will need a ladder. There are clips on either side that drop down. And this particular is a 16 by 16 by 1 filter. And as downstairs has, this also has an arrow in it showing the airflow range, very important. You want to make sure that the air is going out, passing through the filter, and going to the furnace. Putting a new one back in. It's easier when the system is on and running at this point because it's actually pulling it back up, making it easier so I don't have to hold it and shove this up at the same time. You can do that by turning the auto fan on, and that's it. Your home is equipped with smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. These units are hardwired into the home's electrical system, and they have battery backups. The battery backups are in case power is lost in the community, you still are being protected. These units, the batteries do need to be changed either yearly or bi-yearly. When they start to chirp, the batteries are dead, and you definitely need to change them at that point. But changing the batteries are real simple. Just be careful using the ladder. There's an access door on the side of this. Slides open, batteries come in and out. Now this particular unit is a carbon monoxide detector. I know that because the vents on both sides are open. In the units that are in the bedrooms, they only have one side that's open, and that signifies that those are smoke detectors only. These are carbon monoxide / smoke detectors. Your thermostat, believe it or not, does have a battery in it. Most of it runs off the low voltage electrical system, but this can go down over time, and when the power goes out, it's in the back of the unit. Just replace the battery when the screen goes blank. Any of your plumbing have P-traps that are located on the bottom of where the drain goes down into the vanity. Sometimes the P-traps can become loose. You've got hot, cold water running through it, through the plastic pipes. The plastic pipes tend to expand and contract over time. So it's not a bad idea to take a look and make sure they're snug. By doing so, just here, there's a tight here, and in the back also. If it's nice and snug, you're good. If you see a little bit of water dripping underneath or a little bit of water here, it could just be as simple as tightening that up, and that's all you need. Your refrigerator has an inline water filter, and that filter needs to be changed probably once a year. And locating that filter in this particular unit, all units are a little bit different, it's located right here at the top. Press the button, comes out, this is the filter, twist it to the right, remove the filter. Now you do want to make sure you have the right filter for your particular refrigerator. You can find that information out from the model and serial number that's located on the frame of the unit. This particular is here. Once you do change the filter though, you do want to run probably 2 or 3 gallons of water through that. It is a carbon-based filter, some carbon that runs through that. So you want to get a couple jugs of water and run that through. Another springtime helpful recommendation, cleaning out the garbage disposal. By doing that, easy trick you can do is taking the ice that's accumulated in your ice maker, which could stand to be changed out as it is anyways. Now what this does is it helps clean disposal and the working parts that are in there that get kind of gummed up and gooey. Kind of racket, but you can also use lemon wedges. Will also help clean it. And what's going on is there's tines in there that are grinding things up, get debris and things caught in them. It gets kind of stale and a little funky. So cleaning that is another helpful recommendation. Now for springtime, opening up your hose bibs is done down here in the basement in the unfinished area. Come to where the water service is. You see the water lines. Right now, the shutoff valve is in the off position. You can tell because it's perpendicular to the piping. And what you want to do is slowly turn it to the on position. You hear water rushing through it. Both of them. Now the outside water service is turned on and you're ready to water. You have vinyl windows and doors throughout your home. And over time, those doors can slide not like new anymore. To help freshen that up is a good idea. Spray some lubricant, maybe clean the tracks a little bit, and it'll help it slide like brand new again. Really easily, spray the bottom channel, spray the top section, all the way across the bottom. And again, if there's dirt and debris, you want to wipe all that stuff away. This was pretty clean right now. But you know what I usually do about 8 or 10 times? Open and close it. It'll start swimming smoothly, and it's like new again. Cleaning your gutters every spring and fall is a must. These things get clogged up with all kinds of debris and stuff that will cause problems, water intrusion into your home. It's just a must. You've got to either yourself get up here or get somebody out here to clean the gutters and the downspouts. Every spring, every fall, I can't stress it enough. Walking the exterior in the springtime is a must. You've got to get out here and see what's going on with the exterior trim, the caulkings that's needed. A lot of this is wood, and you want to make sure that it's got a fresh coat of paint on it. There's no way water can seep in and cause premature damage. Areas that need caulking, go ahead and touch up. These things, it's only going to create a bigger problem if it's left unresolved. So maintenance these things, walk around the entire home. There's a couple things at the garage as well. Your home is a low maintenance exterior, and really check around the windows, any of the caulkings that are there, check for voids and gaps, and that's really important. Ground settlement is important to keep up with. You do want to walk the perimeter of your home, take a look and make sure the grading is always going away from your home. You always want water to be able to go away from your home. Any depressions or sinking like that, you want to just take some dirt, a little grass seed on top of it, keep it watered, and it'll fill back in. Your basement has either a walk-out condition or a walk-up condition. And in this situation, this is a areaway walk-up. It has a drain that this drain can get clogged. It's very, very important that you keep this area clean, not just in the spring either. Leaves, grass clippings, things can fall in here, clog this drain, and once that happens, that water is going to fill up to a point where water is going into your basement. I can't stress this one enough. This needs to really be kept clean at all times. But in the springtime, in addition to keeping it clean, you want to come in and clean out the whole drain itself, because inevitably, no matter how much you keep it clean, it's still going to get some debris down in there. Usually there's just 1 or 2 screws holding the cover in. Remove the cover. And then what debris you can find down in there. This one's actually fairly clean. Clean, and then also, like I said, around, better to broom it, get it as clean as possible, and keep it clean. This one's really important, guys. Thanks. All right, thanks for joining me on these videos we've done. It was fun going through and showing you some of the maintenance items that could be helpful to you. A lot of those I'm sure you already knew about, but it's just a reminder in some cases. Just take a look around the house. Biggest thing, walk around every year, take a look at things. If you have any questions, you need some help on some of the specifics, give us a call at the office. We're always here for you. Thanks again. Bye.